What's up everybody, I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had good weekend and I hope you guys are safe from COVID-19. So in this video I'm going to be making a very sexy, sensual, seductive beat in Cubase Pro 10.5. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification and smash that like button, and also share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so let's make some music. That was bad, but we can use quantize, of course. Change the quantize preset to 8 note and increase the velocity so it all hits at the same velocity. I think I want to remove this kick here. Sounds better. Okay, now I'm going to add snare. Let's cut this part here, duplicate this, and I want to have something else happening at the end here. The rhythm changed a little bit, so I can change this to the 16th note and create a double hit here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I'm gonna loop this track. Okay, let's add percussion. We'll just loop that. Oh, let me quantize this. It sounds different when I increase the velocity, so I'm going to drop this velocity. It's not the kind of sound that I was looking for. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now it has that bounce quality in the beat. Now I'm going to record hi-hat. It's going to be a very simple, basic 8-note pattern. Let's quantize and add a little swing. Okay, copy this, and for the percussion I didn't add swings, so I'm going to add swings as well. Okay, let's copy that. Okay. I think I'm going to add another hi-hat. Yeah. The reason why I'm adding another hi-hat is to add more bounce. Okay. So let's repeat this. Cool. like it. Okay, copy that. Okay, I'm gonna add a guitar right now. I'm adding a nylon strings guitar here. Let's add some more. I think I want to add bass. Really. I kind of like that, but I'm gonna take another one. So let's use this track version, create new version. Okay, I kind of like that. Okay, so that was the chorus section. I'm gonna create a verse section here. Oh. gonna keep the second half of it, so I need a sexy voice, female voice, right? Nah. I need a sexy voice. Now. It sounds like some Zorro kind of theme song. I kind of like this beat. I hope you guys did too. And I hope you guys already smashed that like button. And I hope you guys have already shared this video to all your friends and family. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.